Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Good morning, my lads. How you doing? How is everything? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Listen, I've made two videos. This video and then there's another one. One of them is going to be part 1 and the other one is going to be part 2. The first one was types of people in the kitchen while cooking, and then this second part is types of cooks in the kitchen. Women, tell me, which type of cook are you? Are you going to be cook number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number 6? Which type of cook are you? Let's start with cook number 1, the food burner. This cook, not that she or he doesn't know how to cook, mostly she, not that she doesn't know how to cook. It's simply the fact that she does things at the wrong time. Like when she's cooking, that is when she has remembered she didn't fold clothes. That is when she has remembered that tomorrow she needs to put githeri in the stove or in the jiko. She has gone to kudadora bebe. She has gone to win maize. That is the time she has remembered she needs to change her baby's diaper. That is the time she has remembered, oh my God, I need to gossip with my friend. I need to tell her juicy story. That is the time she remembers all these things. That is the time she remembers she hasn't folded clothes. She hasn't, I don't know, wiped her shoes. That is the time she remembers everything that she hasn't done. By the time she comes back to her senses, the food is burnt. And I am telling you, she swears every day that it will never happen again. It will never happen again. But she forgets every time. Every damn time.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why? I do not know. Number 2 is the mashakura kind of person. You know, these people, they do not care about the kitchen. Chakula ni chakula, itaiva. Kitungu in. They put onions, they put tomato, they put everything in one and cover them. To them, every dish is a one-pot meal. Every dish is a one-pot dish. Everything is cooked in one pot. Everything. Nyama and boga, the same. Practically, there is no day you will find them cooking food separately. Like if they do that, I don't know what has happened, but they always put everything together. Like they don't have time to process, to think of how this food is supposed to be done. Food is food. You're hungry, you need food. I've given you food. What are you talking about? Taste. What is taste? What are you talking about? Separation and soup. Who are you talking about? No, not me.
Jesus is Lord. Are you normal? Are you normal?
spelled it.
That is number 2. Number 3 is the YouTube tutorial queen. Some know how to cook, some don't. It depends. These ones are forever looking for new recipes on YouTube where they're cooking. Some will be like, today baby I'm cooking you the best meal. Some of them cook the best meals, but most of them, they're forever on YouTube watching food videos, but reality versus expectation, you know how it goes.
You think say they wise?
You don't know why it's going on.
Pull up.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
I never spelled it.
Number 4, the natural born cook. This one can cook even with their eyes closed. They do things like this, like Salt Bay. You understand me? If they're putting salt, it's like they speak to their inner cook. It comes just natural. They don't need to think of how many it's supposed to be put where. It's salt, cumin, turmeric, garlic, everything, and everything's going to come out perfectly. So when you tell her give me a recipe, she cannot give you a recipe because she does not have a recipe. The recipe is her. She's the recipe. So if you tell her, give me I liked your food, how do you cook? Give me the recipe. She will not give you the exact amount of what she used because she doesn't know. She is the amount. She puts it until she feels like, I know, you know what? I think that's enough. I think that is going to taste good. Aya.
Oh my God! Wow!
Number 5, the salt princess or the salty princess. There's no day. There is no day their food is not salty. Like, whenever they're putting their salt, it's like their ancestors speak to them like, more. Are you sure more? Yes. More. More. Put more. Not enough. More. At the end of the day, the food is salty. They don't understand why. Every time they tell themselves that now today I'm going to put a little salt. They put salt and then they taste the soup. They're like, maybe I should just add a little. They taste the little. Maybe I should just add just a little more. When they add just a little more, the food is salty. The food is salty as hell. Stop doing that to yourself, please.
Don't like what I hate.
Continue.
Stop it. But I've been the victim of all these things that I'm talking about. there's always a bad day in the kitchen. There's never a perfect time that where you're cooking everything perfectly. No, there's no such thing as perfection when it comes to cooking. Kuna ajali in the kitchen sometimes. And then the last one, the measurer. Oh my goodness, this one measures everything: salt, flour, water, tomatoes. Like there's no day they'll use their natural instinct to do things. If they don't measure it, the food is going to go to the left. If they don't measure what they're putting, it's just going to go to the left. And like the natural born cooks where they just put things and the food comes together, this one believes that they have to measure. If they don't, the food goes to the left.
Oh my guys are ballers. Oh my guys are ballers. Oh my guys are ballers.
Will you keep quiet?
So tell me in the comment section, which type of cook are you? Are you number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number 6? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.